Want to know how to make an AI agent translate your text in AgentGPT? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your AgentGPT website. Just simply head to us agentgpt.rebook.ai and you should be right here. So we have also created similar videos regarding AgentGPT, which should be on our channel, so make sure to watch it. So right here you should be seeing your AgentGPT opening up by default. And now in order to make an AI translator agent, just simply make sure you're under your home and just simply type in your agent name as anything. And on the goal, just simply type in this simple prompt. Now you can just simply select tools and then enable Google search so that it can give you more accurate results, and then select play, and once that is done, it should start creating your agent or your translator agent. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.